All right. Well, then good luck to each of you, and let's get on with the first matchup of the day, which pits our number 8 seed, Edward Park from Georgia, against the number 9 seed, Alan Liu from New York. Let's have a round of applause for them as they make their way to the contestant desk. Okay, now, Edward, if you could please introduce yourself to the audience by telling them where you go to school and what grade you're in.
Well, I go to school at Dickerson Middle School, and I'm in 8th grade.
Fantastic. Now, Edward, it says down here that this is your 3rd time back to the national competition. Is that right?
Yeah.
Fantastic. Let's give him a round of applause for that. It's extremely difficult to make it here at all, let alone 3 times in a row. So you obviously were here last year for the competition. What was your favorite part of your trip to Orlando?
Well, the countdown round was pretty cool.
That's a good answer. That's always my favorite part.
In it,
always my favorite part, but that's just me.
In it,
Edward, if you could test your buzzer, please. Fantastic. And Alan, if you could please introduce yourself by telling everyone where you go to school and what grade you're in.
I go to school in Batesville Middle School, and I'm in 6th grade.
Fantastic. And Alan is the only 6th grader that is in the top 12, so that's impressive as well. Let's give him a round of applause. Now, Alan, I have an interesting note down here on your bio card. It says that when you were a little guy, it took you a long time to figure out your left from your right.
Yeah, that's true.
But you were able to figure it out,
Yeah.
right? Okay. I have a little guy myself. He's having some trouble with it. Do you have any tips for him?
No.
No? It's all right. Well, I can't help him either, so I'm sure he'll do all right. Alan, if you could test your buzzer, that'd be great. Fantastic. All right, so Edward, Alan, are you both ready to start the countdown round?
Yeah?
All right. Well, then we're going to get on with the first question of our matchup, and the question is, a $1,000 item is discounted 30%. Then, additional discounts of 40% and 50% are applied to the already... Edward.
$210.
$210 is the correct answer. Which means that Edward jumps out to the 1-0 lead over Alan as we move into the second question of our matchup. And the next question is, define A pound B as the arithmetic mean of A and B. What is the value of 1 pound 2 quantity, pound 3 quantity, pound 4? Express your answer as a common fraction. Edward.
25/8.
25/8 is the correct answer. Which means that Edward has a 2-0 lead over Alan at this point as we move to the third question of our matchup. And the next question is, what is the value of B if 5 to the B plus 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 5 to the B equals 625? Raised to the quantity, Edward.
5/3.
5/3 is the correct answer, which means that Edward has won the first